फ्रेंड्स, आई एम बैक विद द वीपिंग रूब्रिक। पिछली बार हम लोगों ने सिर्फ द बिगर रूब्रिक वीपिंग इसके बारे में बात की थी। टुडे विल गो इनटू द सब रूब्रिक्स, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट सब रूब्रिक आई हैव कम विद इज वीपिंग टच्ड वेल, यानी कि जब कोई छू लेता है आपको तब वीपिंग शुरू होती है। You start weeping as soon as you are touched. Now we will not be taking the direct meaning of weeping touched well, because mind chapter is about metaphor. It has to be applied metaphorically, then only it makes sense, and then only you will be able to cover a large variety of cases. So here the meaning weeping touched when implies is a person breaks down, टूट जाता है जब कोई चीज़, कोई मोमेंट या कोई किसी का शब्द, किसी की बात उसे छू लेती है. That is when weeping touched should be applied. Now I used it in a case. There was a person who had come to me for medicine, and I think 6 to 8 months back his wife had committed suicide. So I asked him, like, whatever complaints he had, he was telling me about that, and then I said, how are you coping? So he said, yes, I'm doing well. Okay. So then I said, इस तकलीफ के बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो? So I was talking about his present complaint, and when I asked him इस तकलीफ के बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो, तो उसका वो जो मोमेंट था, उसके वाइफ ने सुसाइड कर ली, वो याद कर रहा था, क्योंकि मेरा एक सेंटेंस उसके पहले था कि हाउ आर यू कोपिंग. सो he went back into that moment and he started crying immediately, and he said, she did so much for me and I just couldn't help her when she needed me, and she must have felt like all alone or something really bad which made her do such an act. So at that time I had used that rubric कि weeping touched when unknowingly I touched that moment of his or that memory of his. तो मैंने weeping touched when लिया था. Now the interesting point is कि in Kent's repertory and also in full repertory, I don't find pulsatilla over there, because pulsatilla is so much in our mind when weeping rubric comes. I was surprised to see there is no pulsatilla there, whereas pulsatilla is present in the rubric weeping easily. Now what do we mean by weeping easily? This is another sub-rubric. Easily means without any difficulty. I will tell you the dictionary meaning. Without difficulty or at the minimum effort, without trouble, effortlessly. These are the dictionary meaning of the word easily. So weeping effortlessly, weeping without any trouble. Weeping means, as we have established, breaking down without any trouble. So अगर पल्सैटिला वहाँ पे है तो यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं है? ऐसे हम सोचते हैं, ये करते हैं हम इस सेंस में. This is how we, discuss a remedy. कि if pulsatilla is in weeping easily, why is pulsatilla not in weeping touched when? यानी कि उसका टच नहीं होता है, वहां तक टच जाता ही नहीं है. Is it that? Think over it, है ना? Another rubric is weeping despair from. What is despair? Despair is totally hopeless, isn't it? Feeling that there is no hope and you can do nothing to improve a difficult situation. Utter loss of hope. ऐसे despair है. I had used it in one patient. She was very health conscious, and she got detected with some hypertension or something, and she was like so disturbed. There was a big case going on, like I was taking her case and it went on for say 15-20 minutes. But the way she was telling me कि अब मैं क्या करूं, मुझे बीपी आ गया, अब तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता, मैंने तो आई हैव टेकन ऑल प्रिकॉशंस, आई हैव अ परफेक्ट लाइफ स्टाइल, आई सी टू इट, आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड दिस, एंड the day my physician told me you'll have to take antihypertensives, I was like totally, gone. How can this happen? I am so surprised. And she went on with this and this. I was thinking she has, decided in her mind that nothing can be done. Nothing helps me now. Nothing can help me now that I have been detected with hypertension. So there is a lot of history behind that. This is not the full case, but I'm just giving you a idea of the version. At that time, I took weeping despair from. Okay, so this is there, weeping despair from. Again, you have to search despair, pulsatilla, because now I'm taking an example of pulsatilla. Please do this from your side. This is going to be a two-way study, right? So you search despair and pulsatilla and weeping, and let's see what you get. Okay, then there is for weeping easily. जब आपने बात हमने छेड़ी है, तो I remember another patient. He was a elderly person, say 70 years and all, and he used to come to me. His he was a widower and his son was staying abroad, and he used to come to me for medicine, and every time he used to come and show me something which reminds him of his son. It can be उनके नातियों का फोटो हो सकता है, लड़के का फ़ोन कॉल आया था, मैसेज आया था, या उन्होंने कुछ गिफ्ट भेजी थी, या बोलते बोलते अगर हमने ऐसे ही मैंने पूछ लिया कि अच्छा कहिए अब कैसे बच्चे का फ़ोन आया था, he will start weeping immediately, है ना. तो उस टाइम मैं weeping easily rubric यूज़ करती थी उसके लिए, उनके लिए. So I am again sharing with you different cases which I just आपसे बात करते करते मुझे याद आ रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. Okay, now there is a rubric weeping contradiction from. अगर उसमें हम लोग देखते हैं तो कार्सिनोसिन है, चामोमिला है, इग्निशिया है, नक्सवामिका है, स्ट्रैमोनियम है, टैरेंटुला है. Now these are remedies which are actually not similar to each other, but they have come through different pathways under this rubric, that is weeping contradiction from. अब अगर कार्सिनोसिन का हम लोग देख लें तो कार्सिनोसिन फैस्टिडियस डिसीज है ना. और अगर हम उसे कह दें कि भाई आपने उसको कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर दे किसी चीज़ के लिए, तो उसका वीपिंग में आ जाता है, एंट्री हो जाता है. नक्सवामिका भी फैस्टिडियस में है, वो भी वीपिंग कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन में है. तो वो क्यों आया है, उसकी क्या जर्नी है. इग्निशिया है, इग्निशिया भी वीपिंग कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन फ्रॉम है, लेकिन इग्निशिया का क्या है, उसे लगता है मैं हमेशा सही हूँ, और अगर आप उसे कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर दो उसे किसी बात पे, तो इट्स लाइक सेइंग कि आप सही नहीं हो, आप गलत हो. तो शायद उसे वो टॉलरेट नहीं होता है, इसलिए वो आ जाती है वीपिंग कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन के नीचे. तो दिस इज हाउ वी थिंक. टैरेंटुला क्यों वीपिंग कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन के नीचे है, क्योंकि उसका एक प्लान है, उसे वो करना है ना. अगर आप उसे कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करो तो वीपिंग इज गोइंग टू हेल्प हर कंप्लीट दैट प्लान. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट वेज, different remedies behave under that same rubric, and it is so interesting to learn about these remedies or study about these remedies. So ऐसे ही हमारा rubrics का सिलसिला चलता रहेगा. किसी भी rubric के बारे में पूरी तरह बात करना, complete बात करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. हम लोग आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, आइडियाज़ दे सकते हैं, आपको अपनी स्टडी करनी होगी. यू विल हैव टू स्टडी ऑन योर ओन. and this discussion will go on. We will be coming on this channel with Know Your Rubric series, and I hope you will enjoy it. So let's keep in touch. See you. Bye.